The education sector has been allocated an increased budget of more than £107 billion for the first time in their annual national budget. The figure was allocated from the £1.2 trillion budget presented at the Transitional National Lecture in Juba on Wednesday. According to the report, public expenditures on education in South Sudan is one of the lowest in the world. The sector is said to be suffering from low investment and low capacity. It is administration and management weakened by the Minister of Finance and Planning, Agak Ashil, said the government is committed to give education sector more attention. The total expenditure proposal for the financial year 2022 or 2023 1.3 billion South Sudanese pound. The education sector is given 107.8 billion South Sudanese pound. The health sector is allocated 33.7 billion South Sudanese pound. The infrastructure sector is given 12.5 billion South Sudanese pound, said Agak. The finance minister said the budget prioritized the implementation of the revitalized agreement and infrastructural development. About 10 sectors in the government, namely the health, communication, infrastructure, natural resources, public administration, rule of law, security and social and humanitarian affairs, have been allocated different chairs. Public administration sector scooped the highest budget of £117.3 billion, while the accountability sector received the least budget of £2.3 billion. The national constitution states that basic education must be free and compulsory to all children in the country. They also expect the government to encourage a culture of innovation, development, and promote general scientific application. It is also envisioned in the constitution that by the year 2040, South Sudan should be an educated and well-informed nation. To achieve South Sudan vision 2040, government institutions such as the Minister of Education are mandated to develop and implement human resource management, financial and asset accountability system to guide action of education managers at all levels.